Tech. Fix it the right way.
Hello viewers, welcome to Tech. Today I'm going to take you through a simple drill, a tutorial on how to change your Android phone into a Windows phone or a Windows computer with two simple apps. Okay, here we go. First of all, you will need two simple apps, which is the computer lock, and then you also need the WinX launcher. That's the best Windows launcher so far I got from Google. Okay, so first you open the WinX launcher. There you go. To make it look real, you just have to, set it as a default launcher. Go to settings, and choose this one. So we go back. Now it's a default launcher now. So our next app that we need to make this process complete is the computer lock. So there you go. Go to settings also. Make sure the passcode is enabled, lock screen is enabled. Okay. Let's check more option so we can get. Okay. These are the more options. I guess. It's not all that cool, but they tried. It's quite okay. It's better. Okay. Okay, now let's try locking now. We go. Now we have Windows PC. Our phone is a Windows tablet now. Let me say Windows phone. Now we try to unlock. See, don't worry, this is the password I use all the time. So see the sound, even it sounds like Windows. Okay, now let's check user. Wow, that's everything just like a PC. You can minimize, you can maximize, all the stuff. Go to documents, go to SD card, local disk. Wow, this is awesome. You see local disk C, that's your internal storage. My phone doesn't allow me to, it's not partitioned. Right, with your phone you will see the local disk D, also the E, the C and the E. That's your external memory card. Okay, it's cool though. It's cool. You can try it out. Yeah. Just click the subscribe button, notification. I'm gonna give you more. I'm gonna search for more and then give to you guys. Okay, try downloads. All these things are there. Ooh, this is awesome. Really awesome. Wow. This side you can just change a logo there, change it to any picture you want. Let's change it to any picture at all. And try this one. There you go. Wow, this is awesome. Try go to desktop. Wow. Yeah, I think that's it. It's quite awesome. It's cool. Recycle bin. Let's try delete something and see whether it goes to the recycle bin. Oof. Yes. Wow. This one is deleted. Okay. This one's already in the recycle bin. So let's try deleting something from here. Wow, it actually goes to the recycle. This is awesome. You can try this. You have a contacts here. Yeah, contacts. All your contacts are here. You see this one? Yeah. Your notification bar that gives you your network bar, Wi-Fi bar, your sound, your Bluetooth, your battery status. Also notification area here. You can turn off all your switches or here. Okay, you want to call somebody, just hit on the dial. We're back. Ooh. It's nice, it's nice, it's nice. It's nice, it's nice. You kinda wanna put your navigation key to hide, auto hide, so that you can hide, otherwise it's going to interfere with your system. Yes, it's going to interfere with the CC. I want to hit the date, it's gonna hit the tax. You see, so maybe you don't want this, just have to put an auto hide. You hide it, so they can access date. Oh, it's awesome, it's awesome, it's awesome. I think you should try this one. Try this one. It's not all that awesome, but at least it's cool. It's cool for you. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.